Hello, and thank you for choosing our program for your Georgia Soil and Water Conservation Commission recertification program. I'm Mark Crump. Together with Ron Crump, a certified instructor and professional engineer, as well as other industry specialists, we'll go over everything you need to know to earn your recertification. So we start with the basics, stormwater management. What is stormwater runoff? Well, it's rain that hits the surface and runs away. Of course, runoff picks up pollutants, primarily oil, grease, as well as excessive sediment, and that's what we're here to learn about today. Sediment is the #1 non-point source of water pollution. Remember, in your initial certification, we learned about point source and non-point source pollution. The EMS is a non-point source and stems primarily from uncontrolled construction site erosion. The common misconception is that stormwater runoff from developments, roads, construction sites is directed to storm drains and that it enters some master treatment somewhere. Now we know in truth that it just goes directly into a nearby creek, and that's why we have so many problems. The impacts of sediment washing uncontrolled through the environment is extremely detrimental to our streams, our rivers, and our lakes. Sediment can block up culverts, can destroy habitats, and pollute streams. So what's all this fuss about? Well, 3% of the Earth's water is fresh water. Less than 1% of that is potable, and only 60% of that is in streams that are clean. So our problem is pollution by sedimentation, and our goal is clean and healthy streams. Now that was all part of the focus by the Clean Water Act of 1972, which brought about the Georgia Erosion and Sedimentation Act in 1975, known as GSWCC. Let's talk about GSWCC. Land disturbing activities are governed through federal requirements, through state law, and are state mandated. One of the key terms you will hear about is a buffer. It's that wonderful strip of land next to the river. Now it's 25 feet for warm waters, 50 feet for cold waters or trout streams, and the local issuing authority has the right to increase that to whatever they want. Another term, BMPs, or Best Management Practice, includes all of the methods used for controlling erosion and sedimentation. Another term, design professional. That means anybody with an engineer, architect, or landscape architect degree, as well as a certified professional in erosion and sediment control. Now, what is land disturbing activity? Obviously, it means any activity involving clearing, dredging, excavating, etc. If you expose dirt or soil, then it is disturbed land.